For all the latest updates, subscribe to Newsline.
With the ongoing COVID-19 pandemic, doctors and medical experts across the globe continue to evaluate the impact of COVID-19 on young children. According to latest reports from researchers, children are more prone to COVID-19 and children have started to show some rare symptoms and illnesses from the disease. There have been reports of a possible connection between the coronavirus infection and a new pediatric inflammatory multisystem syndrome reported in children. In countries like the US, UK, France, Italy, and Spain, the association between the two haven't been clearly understood. So far, studies have found that children are less vulnerable to the novel coronavirus when compared to the adults. According to a study published in one of the journals called JAMA, ACE2 gene expression in the nasal epithelium was lowest in younger children. The study was conducted on 305 coronavirus patients between the age of 4 to 60 years. Dr. Lakshmi Ved Prakash, consultant, neonatologist and pediatrician, has elaborated on how exactly coronavirus affects the kids. COVID-19 is not affecting many children, and even if it did, hospitalization was not seen in a majority of the cases. Some theories suggest that children do not have the A2 receptor, which is what SARS coronavirus 2 needs to spread to the lower respiratory tract. In children, this is not developed, so the infection is largely in the upper respiratory tract. Dr. Lakshmi Ved Prakash asked parents to take certain precautionary measures in their daily life to avoid the deadly disease. Parents should make children understand the current crisis and make them wear a mask and maintain social distancing in public and also with family members who come from outside. One should avoid domestic help at home because there might be chances that they would have contracted the virus. If one follows the guidelines given by the government, then they can avoid putting the children in danger. Many studies conducted in China, Australia, Netherlands, and Iceland have all confirmed the same. Few children get sick from the coronavirus infection when compared to adults, but those who do may end up getting severely sick due to abnormal immune system response. Few health experts believe that it is the kids' rapidly developing immune system which is constantly fighting novel pathogens, which is flexible enough to deal with new viruses and bacteria. This means the bacteria is new to children's bodies but not for the adults, and that's the cause for complications being seen in the recent reports. Most of the kids might not get sick easily from the novel coronavirus, but those who get infected may battle new pediatric inflammatory multisystem. This could be a serious and life-threatening illness. This is precisely why it is important to closely monitor symptoms of coronavirus and multisystem inflammatory syndrome in children. Based on the reports, there are few common symptoms of MIS-C which are observed that include high fever, abdomen pain, red bloodshot eyes, rash, red crack, and etc. Even though MIS-C is still very rare in children, delayed diagnosis prove that it can be life-threatening. It is important to watch out for any symptom of hyperimmune system response in children, especially if they have been exposed to novel coronavirus. Then the disease may progress very quickly.